Afuamanya. Hey, what a beauty. What a beauty. She's so beautiful. I've never seen a woman as beautiful as she is in my entire life. If I was not married, this is the kind of woman I would like to take as my wife. Hey, hey, I forgot to ask her name. Then guys were walking. So stupid. Yeah, so ask her name now. No, I have to go back and do that. I have to. Oh. Hey, what kind of bad luck is this? Oh, hi, you, hi, hey, Fiagwa. Odinka. Odinka, good I met you here. I was going to your house. Say sorry first. Can't you see I'm in pain? Can't you see? I want to tell you one nonsense. Sorry. But this one is more important. Seriously? I was going to your house with a terrible news. How terrible was the news? Very terrible. I saw you in my dream last night. I saw you in the forest. I saw you wandering, looking tattered, dirty, hopeless. In fact, at a point, you were crying for serious help. No, serious help. You were crying and shouting. Okay. When will you ever have a good news for me? Last week you saw me being flogged terribly by a masquerade. Last month, you saw me again being drowned in a river. When will you ever dream good dream for me? You and I know very well they revealed things to me in my dreams. I can't frame dreams up. What is it? Go home. Just go and continue with your dreams. Please don't spoil this beautiful mood of mine, because I'm in a very good mood before this thing happened. Please. Just go home and continue. Thank the gods you said before this happened. Hey. Do you know continue this thing that happened? Odinka. You can't be dreaming. What is wrong with my friend? What is wrong with him? Amalacha, are you in?
You came back?
Yes.
Have you checked your trap?
No, I came to ask what your name is.
Is that why you came back?
Yes, I want to have it in my mind all day.
My name is Subene. They say I'm the most beautiful woman in my land. But I do not know about that. Do you think I'm beautiful?
Indeed. Indeed, you're beautiful. You're beautiful, Omalicha. You're beautiful. Hey. Hey. Hey.
You do not look at a woman that way.
I am sorry. I cannot help it. You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen in my whole life. Hey. Oh. Hey.
Go and check your trap.
Oh, Maga. I'll go. Hey. Hey. Maja, you did not ask me my name. Yes.
You've already told me that.
No, I did not. My name is Odinka. Odinka. Ubene. Just in a little time, the thought of you clouded this my little head. Just in a little time, the thought of you makes me want to scream your name so loud. Ubene. Ube. Ube. Ubene.
Odinka, why are you laughing along the road like someone who has eaten uncooked cocoyam?
For the first time in a long time, my heart drops for what it likes. I will see till the end of this. I will certainly make sure it kills me, or I die within it. Oh my God. Ubene.
What is wrong with Odinka?
Omalicha. 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 I brought you a bundle of firewood.
You brought me a bundle of firewood.
Yes.
What would I cook the firewood with? My head?
Hey, you should have told me you needed the tuber of yam.
Do I need to remind you that I need to eat? Did you not say you can take care of me?
Yes, hey, please don't be angry. I am going to get you 2 tubers of yam now. You jobo kalaka, you saw in a mano. Hey, Omacha, I'm coming, please.
Chalugo, Yokoko, Asampedeni Bolamo, Omalecha, Mimi for Bona, kibulungemo asampeteni bolabo omaleja ogabunu bena rumu bena obimu benu bena asampeteni bolabo omaleja.
What is the problem?
A problem how? Where?
Where are you taking our last tubers of yam to?
I bought them. So whatever I want, I will do with the yam.
Obi.
Omalza. I brought the yam. 2 tubers of yam. Very sweet.
You brought me 2 tubers of yam.
Yes.
Am I supposed to cook the yams without meat?
Hey, Omalza, okay, I'll go and bring fish for you. I have only fish. Eh?
Take the yams to the back of the hut and peel them. Come. First things first.
Okay.
Tidy the space.
It's a small work now. It's Omalza. I finished cooking. Should I bring it here?
Did you just wake me up for that?
Yeah?
I did not tell you that I'm hungry. Please, go home.
Omalza, don't worry, I cannot go home. I will wait till you're hungry, then I will serve you with the food.
You see? You're not even worthy of becoming my dream man. Biko, go home.
Chalugo, Yokoko, Asampeteni Bolabo, Omaleja, Mimi Fobona, Kibulungemo.
I think you should go home.
Bolabo, Omaleja, Ogabunu, Bena, Rumu, Bena, Obimu, Benu, Bene, Asampeteni Bolabo, Omaleja. Ibanya komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikone pam welomu anapona welomu Ibanya komnobi kamanya siapanisi bikone pam welomu anapona welomu.
My lord, what happened today? You left with the 2 tubers of yam we had in this house.
I gave them to someone who needed them.
So what do we eat tonight?
Just share the year. Boil cocoyam and eat.
Obim, is there something you need to tell me? You behaved totally unlike you. You did not even care about me. You did not even care to know if I needed those tubers of yam.
I've told you to go and boil cocoyam and eat.
But you know I do not eat cocoyam.
Do you want to eat me? Eh? No, you want to eat me? If eating me will make you happy, Ngwa, eat me. Ngwa, what? No, go ahead and eat me now.
Don't be angry, please. I do not recall telling you to come this early to raise dust here.
Omolicha, I am doing all this that I'm doing to tell you how much I love you. Yes.
You are married?
Yes, but...
How beautiful is your wife?
She's nowhere close to your beauty.
Would you send her away if I agreed to marry you?
Yes. If you want me to do that right away, I will go back now and send her back to her mother's house. I can do that. Yes.
I do not need to tell you that. Prove your love.
Hey, how do I do this to my wife, Ure? Huh? Okay, all right. Ure, look. Okay, Ure, see, I have decided to end this. No. Ure, see, you have to understand that I'm a man and I have to take certain decisions regarding my marriage and my life. Huh?
I still do not understand your question.
Mweze, can someone become a king in another man's land if he marries the princess of that land?
The question is still funny to me. Who is getting married to a princess?
Mweze, is it possible? Tell me, I want to know. I really want to know. Do you have any idea?
I've not heard of such before. I've not. But you still have not answered my question. Who or are you getting married to a princess?
No, Mweze, don't worry. I'll ask Deus Ozie.
When you asked me that question, what did I tell you? I said it is very, very impossible. How could you? Why therefore you allow a woman to manipulate you, make you a subject of ridicule and stupidity? You.
What I am saying is that I need my wife back. Please help me bring her back. Oh?
Even if I'm going to help you, you have to bring back that land you sold without my consent. Oh yes. Bring that land back. Now we'll see where we'll start from there.
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone. Omwa baji kuji, omwa nefe, omwa
Don't do this to me, please. Oh? Please forgive me. I need you back in my life.
Enough! Listen, if you dare come close to me, I swear by the gods of this land, I shall slice your throat with this knife. Foolish man. Don't!
Hey!
Don't!
Ure, I'm kneeling down for you. Ure.
I will not warn you again. I will not.
I'm sorry now.
I warned you not to follow me.
I know.
Why are you pestering my life? Let me be.
Please don't do this to me, please. I'm begging you. Go. Ure.
Do not come close to me. I meant it when I said I was going to slice your throat. Do not come any inch close to me. I mean it.
I am begging you, please. You're just everything that I have. Eh? You can't...
You must be out of your mind.
Eh?
Who is the goat bleating here?
My in-law, I'm the goat bleating here. Please help me beg my wife, please. Eh? I can even behave like the goat. Please, don't do this to me.
I am glad you realized you are a goat. Now go to the bush and eat some grasses.
Eh?
Yes, you heard me.
No, remember how I used to cultivate your farm? And tomorrow I promise I'm going to go to Iba and till that your land there.
But then can leave my house. Odinga, leave my house.
My in-law.
Ogom. Ogo Buchonye.
My in-law.
Ogo.
The only beautiful woman on earth. Hey! What is happening here?
It is this stupid man called Odinka. He has been disturbing me and your beautiful wife. Okay, enough.
My in-law, you are too pretty to be discussing or exchanging words with a stupid man. Please, where is the most beautiful wife?
She's here. She's here. You can
My
join
woman.
her. You can join her here. Yes.
Obium. Please, let me sound this as a warning.
Okay.
I want to have a good time with my wife. I don't want any disturbance. I don't want any nincompoop to disturb us.
Trust me, I'll make sure nobody disturbs you.
My queen. Obium, I'm trying to how are you?
What?
Are you going to allow him take my wife? Oh, my in-law, stop this, stop this. Mama, somebody just took my wife home.
Agam!
Why, Mama?
Hey!
Odinka, you are here while your wife is about getting married to Weze. In fact, she's even about giving him the cup of palm wine. You are here.
Where's it? Hey, where's it? No! Hey, where's it? Where's it? Hey, where's it?
Where's it? Where's it?
Odenka. Did you bring my money with you?
Was I going to take my wife as your own? Are you going to allow this mud of shame to cover my face? Are you?
Odenka, I just asked you a very simple question. Did you bring my money with you? Alright, this. I want you to forget about Uri and forget about my money.
Mweze, you cannot do this to me. Mweze, you can take my father's land. But please, I beg you in the name of the gods, leave Ure for me. Please.
Ure is worth more than your father's compound. If you want my plot of land, I can give you one. But please, forget about Ure.
Mweze, I am your friend, though.
We are no longer friends.
Mweze say?
Yes,
I have good news for you.
Has Ure forgiven me?
Now, these two gifts, they brought it, these two parcels. You see this one? That is the dowry you paid on Ure's head. Igwe called me. He asked me that I should give this dowry back to you.
Right. You should have told them I still want to marry Ure.
I'm not done talking yet. No, calm down.
Okay.
If you go, this one contains hot pepper. You will use it to massage that manhood that made you disappoint everybody in this family. Use it to massage it. This is what this one contains. Nonsense.
They see, I know I've heard, but all I need now is forgiveness. Please help me beg Ure and the mother to forgive me. Please. Oh?
Odenka. Odenka. You're a stupid man. Odenka, do you remember what you told me when I came begging you to forgive your wife? Can you remember? Hey, you told me that Uri was an old climbing rope that should be discarded off. Oh, you still want that old climbing rope?
Yes, there. I need that old climbing rope. I want it. Oh, because I want it. There.
Listen, you brought this upon yourself. You go and fix it. I'm out of here. Go and fix it.
Ure Beacon, please forgive me. I beg you in the name of the gods. Please, I was deceived by the shrewd woman. Beacon, wow. Oh?
You have been forgiven. Can I go now?
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can we go home?
Home? What home do you speak of? I don't understand. I'm sure you must have heard that I'll be going to my new home on Ekede.
Hey.
You ought to be congratulating me, not telling me to go with you to your home. Please, I was busy inside before you came. Excuse me.
Ure. Beacon, please forgive me. Oh, Please, I beg you in the name of the gods. I know I've offended you. I wronged you. But it will never happen again. Ure, you know I love you. You know.
Love?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Odinka. I do not love you again. Excuse me.
Hey. Hey, you. Hey. Love one another, never know. Hey. Still love me again.
Stupid man. Hey.
What's the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
I want to punish myself till I feel the pains in my bone. Yeah.
By the way, did you use the hot pepper I said you should use to massage your manhood? The gods have not started dealing with you and you're like this. Disgrace. Disgrace.
I am the most stupid man on earth. If this happens, I'll tie a rope on my neck and I'll hang myself and I'll kill myself. I'm going to kill myself. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. What is this? I feel like I can't get myself. I feel like...
Odinka.
Please, stay away from me. Please stay away from me. Please. This is where you left me. No wife, no money.
Odinka, can I at least have a seat?
I don't want to see you again. Just leave here before your husband comes here and sees you.
I have come to apologize. For all that I've caused you. I punished you for what my husband did to me. Please, accept my apology. I am sorry.
Your apology will not bring back my wife. Besides, you don't need to apologize. I was just enticed with the zeal of becoming the king.
Odinka, any man could have fallen for that. I will send one of my guards with your bags of beads tomorrow.
My wife is getting married with my best friend on Ekede.
Who is your best friend?
His name is Mweze. I owe him some money.
And your wife's name?
Ure. Rema.
Ray. Rema. I know what to do. You must be Wednesday.
To what do I owe this royal visit?
How much does Odinka owe you?
I do not want the money again.
Because you want his wife in place of the money.
No, I'm an honorable man.
You are not.
Believe me, I am.
Then why would you want his wife?
We're doing this for him to learn his lessons.
Very well then. I believe he has learned his lesson. I will send my guard tomorrow with the money he borrowed from you.
Princess, let me have wine. Can I get you something to drink?
Not to worry. Maybe next time.
Okay.
Greetings, beautiful ladies.
Greetings. It seems you're looking for someone.
Yes, I am looking for Uri, the wife of Odinka.
And who wants to see her?
You are the one. I want us to talk. I am the queen of Ami.
But I do not have any relative in Ani.
I know. You might find out one.
If you say so, why don't we go to my hut, then we can talk about it.
Yes.
Mina, you can come with us.
Yes, I'll come with you.
I want to speak with you, alone.
It's okay. I'll come and see you later.
It's alright.
Alright. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go. Uri, you're a good woman. Thank you. You're welcome. You see, I have come to ask for your forgiveness. My forgiveness? But I don't even know you. So, you haven't done anything to me. Yes, I have. Uri, I have offended you. I was bitter in my heart when I met your husband. My husband? I don't understand you. It all started when I had a blind child. My sister-in-law lied to my husband that the child wasn't his. I was subjected to embarrassment.
Brother, I have brought her.
You have brought who?
Ulimma, my friend. She's the last daughter of Omenka, the richest man in Anupa.
Good. I have found a wife. Ubene here will make me happy all the days of my life.
This commoner, this poor girl with ill luck, she's full of omen. Have you not heard? Have you not heard her mother died at childbirth?
Thank you very much. But she's the one I want to marry.
Obidum, you are a king. And as such, you should marry a woman of our class. And only here is one, not the stain you have here.
I would take it as an insult if you don't shut that your mouth and think that you don't have the right to choose a wife for me. Now carry your friend and leave my sight.
Wally! Wally!
Get out!
Wally!
I am scared. I do not belong here.
No one tells you where you belong. You are my wife. Come with me. Let me introduce you to my elders. Here is mine.
What is it? What do you want from me?
So you think you can use charms on my brother?
Charms? I did not use any charm on my husband. I have never touched a charm.
Liar! That's what you are. Liar! But I will show you. I will show you that I, Honor, have my ways with charms. I will make this palace hot for you. Just wait and see.
Charms? What is she talking about?
You thought you could hide your infidelity life from the gods. It's your promiscuous life that made you bear a blind child.
Honor, stop it!
I can swear to it. I saw her with a man from Anupa. No! Tell him the truth. Let her tell you the truth.
Honor! Honor! My husband, you do not believe her, do you?
Do not leave this place until I find out the truth.
My husband... All my life I've been faithful to you. I've been faithful to you. Obedum, for the love and respect I have given you all these years, the gods will not turn their faces away from me. Today, I drop my conscience. I drop love. I drop mercy. And I drop the good woman I have been. I will cause pains and sorrows to any man I set my eyes on. I will make him bleed. Winnie, you're a beautiful woman. Smile, for the gods are with you. This is the new me. I will deal with any man I come across. I will make him useless. I will break his home. And when I'm done, I will rest. That is my mission.
How are you? I was just going to the farm, so I decided to come across to you.
Odinka. Odinka. Take a good look at me. Am I not too beautiful to be fed with only morning greetings? Have I not told you that where I come from we dislike weaklings? We admire and love men who can stand tall and take care of their women.
I am tall and I'm strong. I'm a real man.
If you're a real man, then take good care of me. If you're a real man, make me the only woman in your life. That is what real men do.
Omalicha, I am working on it.
That is what he keeps saying all the time. He is working on it. Do you want me to open my arms for another man?
No.
I am a princess. I deserve extravagant love. I deserve to be treated like a princess.
Omalicha, just give me a little time. Just little, one tea. Oh, one tea.
Please go home.
Okay.
I do not want someone spoiling my day. And do not come back to my hut if you fail to do what I have asked you to do. Weakling. That was how it all started. Ure, please. I want you to forgive me and forgive your husband too. Please. So it was you. It was you who did this to me. You tore my home apart. You made my husband brainless. You! Ure, you have to calm down. I am ready to make amends. I am ready to do everything to make amends. You vetted the anger of your husband on an innocent man. Now, we are now the object of ridicule in this land, all because of you. Now, get out. This moment. Ure, you have to calm down. You have to. If you don't get out of this place, I will put the respect of royalty aside and put you out. Out! I said out! Leave! Evil woman! Leave! I want you to help me talk to Ure.
Can you tell me what is going on?
My name is Uwene, the Queen of Amiyi. Odinka sent Ure away because of me.
Come with me.
Thank you. You? What are you doing here? Have I not asked you to leave?
Ure, you have to calm down. It's all coming to an end. Your Majesty, please sit down.
Sit what? What are you saying?
Ure, please calm down. It's not everyone in her class that would come down this low just to ask for your forgiveness. You need to forgive her. Please.
Who do we have here? Who do we have here? Hey! Hey! Do you still remember me? It's me!
I am trying to recall where we've met.
Your Majesty, I was that woman you helped 2 years ago at Amiyi. When some thieves snatched away my basket. When I was coming from Oria Market. Your Majesty, you took me home and treated me well. In fact, you gave me some money to come home with. Welcome to my home. Welcome. It's me. I remember you. It's me. This is my house.
Indeed, the gods have started fixing the broken calabash.
The broken calabash? Anyway, what brings you to my house? She's the one. She's the evil woman that has been occupying my Odinka. She asked my husband to send me away. She did. Ure, how is that possible? Mother, she's standing right in front of you. Ask her that question.
Nay, please. Evil. Sit. I will tell you the whole story.
You have to go now and talk to Ure.
To tell her what? Eh? To forgive me. She says she has forgiven me, but she's not in love with you.
Go now and talk to her.
The reason I have come to ask for her forgiveness.
Your Majesty, you have done well to have come at this time. Ure, my daughter. Nem, please forgive her.
Please, forgive her. Please.
I don't have a choice. I have forgiven you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's all right. It's all right.
Thank you. Welcome. Mother, I will have to go now. It's getting late already.
All right. Send my regards to your husband.
I will do just that.
And take care of yourself.
I will, Mother.
Thank you.
Take care.
Please. please forgive me. If you don't forgive me, I'll kill myself. Or if you my way. Please.
You don't need to ask for forgiveness. You're already forgiven. Ubone was here and she told us everything.
Hey. Thank you. Hey.
Wednesday, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you for standing by me. Thank you.
Trying to marry you, man.
For everything. Everything.
Well, you see, if we did not do it that way, my friend here wouldn't have learned his lessons. How far you? You.
And to you, Winnie, I can't thank you enough. You're the best friend I have ever had. May the gods bless you.
You don't have to thank me. You're my friend, and I love you so much.
I love you too, Winnie. Thank you.
I want you to be happy.
I am.
Thank you very much. But always mind your business.
And please take care of her.
I will.
Please, don't we think this calls for celebration?
Of course it does.
Let's go to my house. I have Siu, Nkubi, Oma.
Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. I'm so happy. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Yeah. I'm so happy. How are you, my beautiful wife?
I'm fine. My husband. Must you do this every day?
I will do it for 7 months.
And by then, you would have seen the signs.
Which signs?
That we're going to have a child.
You're not telling me the truth.
I am pregnant. May God be praised.
So happy. Thank you.
Thanks to the gods.
So, why are we here?
I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
I know I've not shown you any sign, but deep inside me, I want you. Please, will you allow me to take wine to your father? Please.
I'm scared of men.
No, please. No.
I have told you my mind.
Is this what I'm thinking? Should I tell Wenze what you once told me? In as much as you're scared of men, that he is the only man that you have ever admired.
You're talking too much.
I'm sorry, my dear friend, husband of mine. Please, let us go before I even say more.
My good friend, you're making a good choice. Jackie.
Winnie, I will bring wine to your father on Uncle Day.
I will certainly pay back the money I borrowed from you by next month.
Odinka, my friend, I have forgotten about the money I borrowed to you. What happened to you was a big lesson to all of us.
I thank you.
Meanwhile, I will be taking wine to Winnie's father on Uncle Day.
This is good news. Very good one. And I want to tell you that Ure is pregnant.
Yes. Odinka! Good news will never depart from us.
You say...
You don't miss your water till your well runs dry. You don't know what you have till it's gone.
Who is here?
Greetings, Your Highness. Rain, how are you?
Where is your husband?
He went to see his friend Wenze, but he will soon be back. But before then, please, be seated. You're welcome once again.
Your Highness, what a pleasant surprise. You're welcome. You're welcome, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Please, let me get you collar, please.
No, come back. Leave the collar for this time. We have come with these beads.
Hey. Thank you very much.
For us.
Thank you very much.
May the gods replenish you.
Yes.
And I also want to invite you and your best friend for my Ofala festival next month.
Your Highness, We'll be there. I'm also inviting you to my marriage ceremony.
Oh, beautiful. I'll be there. We'll be there. And we are friends now. And that starts from today.
Uri, is it what I'm thinking?
Come with me.
Please, let me get you a palm wine. Palm wine, yes. Your Highness.
It's okay.
Your Highness. Take it. It's okay. Hi, I'm coming.
Your Highness, please try and be there.
Of course, we'll be there. We are friends from today. Your Highness, this is palm wine, very fresh. I'm coming. Come sachata.
Omalecha.